a world where 1 lakh new songs are released every day on streaming platforms, where music is consumed mainly online, making a music video to give visibility to your music in the hub of the new social networks is an absolute necessity. But creating a music video is always the same headache when you are an independent artist with a low budget. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. Looking for some creative ideas for your music video? Great, you are right on the spot, because in this video we will tell you some of the best and extremely creative music video ideas for amateurs and professionals. Hope they will help you in getting the perfect idea for your video, even if your budget is $0. Let's count the possibilities and work creatively. Understand the basic need to create a story. The main elements of shooting a music video are people, costumes, props, location, and video game. So the best way to cut the cost is to leverage what you already have in those departments. Character, location, camera, equipment, promotion is everything. Ideas for creating music videos on a very low budget. Come up with an interesting visual elements. Visual hook is everything. A lot of artists will use dancing, wearing a crazy costume, time, or some type of sex appeal. Find a visual hook that seems doable and make that focus. Be ready to edit the video by yourself. The idea of one-man army is not bad when it comes to the low budget. Learn storytelling. For creating the good album, having a good sense of telling a story is the must. So never underestimate the skill. Do the designing and colors. Just like editing, having a good sense of colors and designs helps you a lot. Create a friends or music community for help. If you can leverage your friendships, connections, or your community to shoot in private location, that's ideal. Lessen the shooting budget and choose one location. And rest depends on marketing. The only thing you need is to tell a great story with a great site like Onemaker.io, where you have wide options of music visualizers that can be used. Just select a template of your choice and customize it, for which you can consider the other videos as well. I think that's it for now. Do not forget to check out our website. We have created lots of other videos on music visualizers, audio visualizers, and stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.